The sum of the squares of three positive numbers who are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4 is 725. Find out the numbers. First of all, let's assume the numbers to be 2x, 3x, and 4x. Now, as per the data, sum of the squares of these three numbers is 725. So let's form the equation. So we want to find out the squares of these three numbers and then add. So therefore, it becomes 4x square plus 9x square plus 16x square, that is 29x square is equal to 725. That means x square becomes 25, and because we are speaking of positive numbers, x becomes 5. Now we want the numbers. The numbers we had assumed them to be 2x, 3x, and 4x. If we substitute the value of 5, the numbers will become 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20.